2012 GMC Sierra or Chev Silverado. We're working on a 4.8. We're going to do the coolant temperature sensor. And if you're looking for the location, it's going to be on the driver's side. Now this is the 4.8 model. Now down here, driver's side, below the alternator, in front of the manifold. Right here, this is your coolant temperature sensor. We're just going to go undo the clip, pull the clip out. It's going to be a 19, I believe it's going to be a 19 mil. We're going to back that out, and then we're going to put in our new coolant temperature sensor. I'm going to try and do this quick because I hit a radiator on this truck and I forgot to change this. So I'm going to try and get this on and off as quick as possible so I don't lose coolant. Got my sensor right here on the fuse box. Got a drain pan underneath. There. Just going to clean a bit of the dirt off the sensor that was in my socket, just off the connector. Now we're going to go ahead, put the connector back on, and we'll clear the customer's codes. Right on, make sure you hit that like button, hit subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.